Trading on Waves is a unique opportunity, especially if you're trading something you don't see everywhere. The VALR Exchange gives us the opportunity to trade USDC against ZAR, the South African Rand. You can trade it similar like you're trading your crypto. No, it's not Forex trading. It's an opportunity to increase your dollar value against another fiat currency. But before we get to this, make sure to smash that like button and remember to subscribe to the channel so we can keep on building this community. Looking at the VALR Exchange, it's unique, open, and very easy usable. But before we get to our current trades, let's have a look and see what's VALR all about. Well, in the last 24 hours, VALR has done a turnover of $14 million, 738 Bitcoin. Yes, it's a lot lower than your main exchanges, but the lower volume exchanges gives you bigger opportunities. VALR is the largest cryptocurrency exchange headquarters in South Africa. The rapidly growing exchange serves over 250,000 customers, with trading volumes growing at a compounded monthly rate over 30% for the past year. VALR offers maker rewards, negative maker fees, and has this far paid out $4.6 million in rewards to users. These rewards include referral rewards from customers who refer their friends and family using their referral codes. Established in 2019, VALR allows customers to trade over 60 different cryptocurrencies. VALR cumulative trading volume has surpassed $7.3 billion on fiat pairs, and crypto-to-crypto trading volume has exceeded $600 million. VALR offers an advanced spot exchange for seasoned traders, as well as simple buys and simple swaps for an easy trading experience for beginners. Advanced features like sub-accounts come built in and are available to all customers. Pay and get paid with VALR Pay, a seamless payment offering from VALR, allows users to send payments from their wallet to anyone's phone, number, email address, or VALR Pay ID at zero cost. And their app is available for desktop, iOS, and Android. Now, I've been using VALR probably since 2020, and I've never had a problem. If there's an issue, you send them an email, and the customer's care response is fast and instant. Now, the opportunity it creates is for us to increase our USDC. Looking at the USDC coin, it's currently ranked the 4th biggest coin according to market cap. But what is USD all about, or what makes it unique? The stablecoin market has become exceedingly crowded over recent years, but USD coin has aimed to stand ahead and shoulders over competitors in several ways. One of them concerns transparency and giving users the assurance that they will be able to withdraw one USDC and receive $1 in return without any issues. To this end, it says a major accounting firm is tasked with verifying the levels of cash that are held in reserve and ensuring this matches with the number of tokens in circulation. Unlike some crypto ventures, Circle and Coinbase have also achieved regulatory compliance, and this has helped pave the way for the international expansion. Both projects are also well funded, giving the stablecoin certainty. Coinbase briefly contemplated diversifying the funds backing USDC, but retracted that proposal after heavily community backlash. The transparency over the provenance of its funds has been a big reason for USDC's success. Unlike its rival USDT, which has found itself embroiled in repeated investigations, USDC has never been accused of any wrongdoing. That has led to USDC gobbling up much of USDT's dominance in the stablecoin market. Although USDT commanded a 74-16 lead in market share in February 2021, this has shrunk to 45-50% lead in February 2022. So yes, USDC just keeps on growing and growing, and it creates the opportunity. And now that I can trade USDC against the rand dollar, it's so unique. I can trade the strategy I want. I can trade it in a similar way that I'm trading my cryptocurrency. As we can see, I got some buy and sell orders in place. Now I always have 5 buy orders in. That means one of my buy orders triggered. So let's put in my sell. I'm using my own mathematical system or calculated system, depending how you want to see it. But down in the description with the VALR link will be an email address. Ask me how I trade and we can do a live Zoom call. I'm going to put in my sell or my take profit, depending how you see it. I'm buying and selling the same amount so I can hold back the USDC I'm making in profits. As you can see, the lines pops up. You know exactly where all your trades is. And I'll put in my new buy limit order. As I put in my new buy limit order, you'll see the line pitch up as well. Lines comes up, you know exactly where your orders is. And another unique way they have, down at your open orders, you can search and let them be high to the top and low to the bottom, all depending on how you would like it to be. VALR, an exchange that's creating unique opportunities, and one someone has to look at if you want to increase your USDC. Yes, they do have multiple, 60 different cryptocurrencies you can trade, but I'm enjoying trading my USDC 𝙤𝙠 against each other in a way to keep on increasing my USDC. I haven't found this opportunity on other exchanges as of yet, but the possibility is always there. Have a look at VALR, exchange of the future, one that's keep on growing and building their communities. A few cryptos there, and it also getting bigger and bigger. We're looking for opportunities, and in my opinion, this is one. Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below in the comments and let me know what's your thoughts on VALR. Have you tested it out? What is the strategy you're trading? And remember, enjoy the extreme crypto gains. Have a good one.